Stepping off the plane in India, you're not just greeted by the heat, but a symphony for the senses. The streets throb with life, a kaleidoscope of colors, a cacophony of sounds, and an intoxicating blend of aromas that hit you like a spice trader's dream. It's a beautiful kind of chaos that sucks you in from the moment you arrive. The food, well, the food is a whole other story. An epic saga told over generations, passed down through families, with each region adding its own unique dialect to the culinary language. From the fiery curries of the south to the rich, buttery dishes of the north, the sheer diversity can be overwhelming at first. But trust me, it's a delicious kind of overwhelm. This ain't your average tourist trap, folks. This is about diving headfirst into the soul of India, one delicious, spicy, and unforgettable bite at a time. Buckle up. Forget those prepackaged, dusty jars of supermarket spices. In India, spices are treated with the reverence they deserve. We're talking about vibrant, fresh ingredients, often roasted and ground moments before they hit the pan. It's an art form, a delicate dance of flavors with each spice playing its part. Turmeric, the golden child of India, brings its earthy warmth and anti-inflammatory powers. Cumin adds a smoky depth, while coriander offers a citrusy brightness. Cardamom, the queen of spices, lends a sweet floral aroma, and cloves, well, they bring that unmistakable pungent kick that lingers on the palate. But it's not just about individual flavors, it's about the way they come together in a symphony of aromas and tastes. It's the secret behind those curries that make you want to lick the plate clean, the fragrant biryanis that transport you to another dimension, and those simple lentil stews that warm you from the inside out. This is the magic of Indian cooking, the alchemy of transforming humble ingredients into culinary masterpieces, all through the transformative power of spice. Let's talk about biryani, shall we? This ain't your average rice dish. This is a celebration of life, a culinary tapestry woven with fragrant rice, tender meat, and an orchestra of spices. And nowhere is this art form more revered than in the city of Hyderabad. Here, biryani is a matter of pride, a legacy passed down through generations. We're talking about the art of dum cooking, a slow, deliberate process where the ingredients are sealed in a pot and cooked over low heat, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen into a symphony of taste. Imagine layers of fragrant basmati rice, each grain separate and fluffy, interspersed with succulent marinated meat, be it chicken, mutton, or even goat. Saffron-infused milk adds a touch of luxury, while caramelized onions bring a hint of sweetness. And then there are the spices, a heady mix of cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and more, each contributing to the complex tapestry of flavors. The moment that lid comes off, the aroma will hit you like a warm embrace. One bite, and you'll understand why Hyderabadi biryani is considered the crown jewel of Indian cuisine. Forget your fancy restaurants and white tablecloths. The real heart and soul of Indian cuisine lies out on the streets. This is where the magic happens, folks. The air crackles with energy, a symphony of sizzling, frying, and grilling, a sensory overload that will leave you craving more. Every city, every town, every neighborhood has its own unique street food scene. From the bustling lanes of Mumbai to the chaotic markets of Delhi, you'll find an explosion of flavors that will rock your world. It's a delicious dance of sweet, sour, spicy, and savory, all for a price that won't break the bank. And the best part? This is where you'll find the real deal, the authentic flavors of India, made with love and generations-old recipes. So ditch the tourist traps, grab a plate, and get ready for a culinary adventure that will leave you wanting more. This is India on a plate, raw, unfiltered, and utterly unforgettable. Let me introduce you to Pani Puri, a street food snack that's more than just food. It's an experience. Imagine this, crispy hollow puris, about the size of a golf ball, just waiting to be filled with a world of flavor. You pop one of these babies into your mouth and bam, an explosion of textures and tastes. The crispy puri shatters, releasing a flood of tangy, spicy, and utterly addictive pani, a tamarind-based water infused with mint, coriander, and a hint of chili. But it doesn't stop there. Inside that little puri, you'll find a mixture of mashed potatoes, chickpeas, and often some chopped onions for a bit of crunch. It's a beautiful chaos of flavors and textures, a party in your mouth that will leave you craving more. The beauty of Pani Puri lies in its simplicity and its ability to tantalize your taste buds with every bite. It's a true street food hero, a must-try for any adventurous eater. Chaat translates to lick in Hindi, and trust me, you'll be licking your fingers and probably the plate clean after diving into this culinary adventure. It's not just one dish, but a whole category of savory snacks that are as diverse as India itself. Imagine crispy fried dough, puffed rice, boiled potatoes, crunchy chickpeas, all coming together in a beautiful mess of flavors and textures. Then there's the chutneys. Oh, the chutneys. Sweet, tangy, spicy, and minty, each one adding another layer of complexity to the dish. There's the iconic bel puri, a chaotic yet harmonious blend of puffed rice, sev, crunchy gram flour noodles, potatoes, onions, and chutneys. Or maybe you're feeling adventurous and want to try aloo tikki, crispy potato patties drenched in yogurt, chutneys, and spices. Whatever you choose, be prepared for an explosion of flavor and texture. Chaat is not for the faint of heart. It's a full-on assault on the senses, and you'll love every minute of it. Forget your fancy gourmet burgers, folks. In India, we've got the vada pav, a street food icon that's as humble as it is delicious. It's a sandwich, yes, but not as you know it. Imagine a fluffy bun, lightly toasted and slathered with a vibrant green chutney, its spicy aroma already making your mouth water. Then comes the star of the show, the vada itself, a crispy golden brown potato fritter, spiced to perfection with turmeric, chili, and a hint of ginger. This bad boy is nestled snugly in the bun, often with a sprinkle of chopped onions and a generous dollop of sweet and tangy tamarind chutney for good measure. One bite, and you'll understand why this humble sandwich is a national treasure. The vada pav is a testament to the ingenuity of Indian street food, a perfect marriage of textures and flavors that will leave you wanting more. Let's talk about the samosa, shall we? That golden triangle of goodness that's become a global icon. But trust me, nothing beats biting into a piping hot samosa on the streets of India. Imagine this. You bite through the crispy, flaky pastry, and you're greeted by a cloud of steam carrying the intoxicating aroma of spices. Inside, a savory filling awaits, usually a mixture of potatoes, peas, and sometimes lentils, all cooked with onions, ginger, garlic, and a medley of spices that will transport you straight to Flavor Town. The beauty of the samosa lies in its versatility. You can have it as a snack, dipped in mint chutney or tamarind chutney, or enjoy it as part of a larger meal. It's the perfect companion to a cup of chai on a rainy day, a comforting and satisfying treat that never disappoints. So next time you see a plate of samosas, don't hesitate. Grab one, savor the flavors, and experience the magic of this Indian street food legend. So there you have it. A little taste of India, a glimpse into the heart and soul of a cuisine that's as diverse and vibrant as the country itself. Thanks for coming along on this culinary adventure with me. If you enjoyed this spicy ride, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our next food adventure. And for more travel inspiration, recipes, and behind-the-scenes shenanigans, check out the website and follow me on social media. Until next time, keep exploring, keep eating, and keep those taste buds tingling.